Hey there, today I have a Golden Tote unbagging for you. So actually this is the June Golden Tote. It arrived over a week ago, but I was actually on a trip. We went to, my husband and I went to Europe and we did a Trafalgar tour, it was called the European Whirl, and we saw 11 cities in 15 days. So anyway, it was pretty much a whirl. And I don't know if I would recommend it for everybody, but we enjoyed it and we saw a lot of cities and it was kind of nice. We had a big group of people, 46 from all over the world, and we didn't know anybody else, but by the end of the tour you got to know everybody and it was fun. But anyway, still kind of recovering from my jet lag, but I want to see what I got, so I'm going to go ahead and open my Golden Tote. So if you're not familiar with Golden Tote, it's an online styling service, I would say, where they have a new collection of clothes that is released the first Monday of every month. Actually, but for July, their collection is going to be released on July 9th. So hopefully I'll get this video in on time so you can see it, and if you like it, definitely check out the Golden Tote website on July 9th. But anyway, they do have several options of what they call totes, and I just got the Mini Tote, which is the smallest, and that's $59, and you get one item that you can choose from their collection and one that a stylist chooses for you based on the style profile that you complete online. I also got an add-on item. With any tote, you can add on an item from their boutique at a reduced price. Okay, so let's see what I got. Hey, I don't think I got a tote bag. Ooh, this is the first time I haven't gotten a tote bag, so maybe I have to let them know that there was no tote bag in my bag. Shucks. I don't know if that's something new. But anyway, okay, so I got one item that I chose and a surprise item plus an add-on item. Okay, so with Golden Tote, normally you get a tote bag every month, so your items come in the tote. So I just got everything in this bag, and like I said, I had 3 items, and it's itemized here, and the total cost for me was $98 plus shipping was $5.95. If you spend $149 though, you get free shipping. And also I did get a store credit, so $10 off. So one of you signed up using my referral link, so I do appreciate that. Every time one of you sign up using my referral link, I do get a $10 credit with Golden Tote. Okay, and it does say that the original value of the items is $132. So if I were to return anything, it would revert back to its retail price, and so that, yeah, the return would be a little complicated. So anyway, by the way, it's really humid here. It's like I came back to Hawaii and it's like 88 degrees and 47% humidity. So I am like absolutely, absolutely dying. But let's forge ahead. There's only 3 items. Okay, and the first item, whoops, is a dress. And it's something that I actually chose, and it's by Gilly. It is the Timeless Wrap Dress in navy. They did have it in another color also, but I just got the navy. I got it in the size medium. Retail on this is $46, but I added it on for $39. And it is just a very pretty, I don't know how this top part is going to be. I might have to add like cami or something to make it decent, but yeah, it's just a very pretty print, navy with kind of off-white flowers. And actually I saw this, I think it was Southern Yankee, she got this very same dress in her mix and match box. So some of these items, and this is by Gilly, you might see in other subscription boxes. So that was my add-on item. And then my chosen item, I also chose a dress, and it's kind of a very pretty coral color, and it has a liner inside, and it's by Collective Concepts. And yeah, I don't know, I just thought it was kind of a pretty dress, and I don't usually typically like shirt dresses, but it's a shirt dress, so it's buttoned down the front. It comes with a tie belt. Yeah, it's a summer breeze dress in the color orange, although it's more of to me, a coral. Size medium. The original price was $46, same as the other dress, but I got this as part of my tote, which is $59, so it basically came out to about $30. And I had one surprise item, and oh, okay, it's a top, and this is very pretty. It is by She and Sky, size medium. So it kind of has like a crochet top and kind of big fluttery sleeves. It is kind of wrinkled, so I'm not really into ironing. Okay, so that's all I got in my June Golden Tote bag. And I will go ahead and try everything on and I'll see how it looks. And sorry I'm kind of low energy today because yeah, I'm super jet lagged. But anyway, we'll go ahead and try it on. Okay, so here is the first dress. And I think it's actually pretty nice. And it's not like too low. I mean, it's a little bit low, but it's not really that bad. And it's a little low in the back too, but I think it's okay. And it's pretty much a nice length, I think, and good for work. This is a very flattering style. It's kind of like a faux wrap, and it has a side bow. Yeah, very pretty, and it's kind of a cute print, something different. Oopsie, watch out, Sam. Sammy is right there. She's low energy today too, but actually she's low energy every day. And then I've got, okay, it's got these kind of sleeves that are, what is that called? Like a half sleeve? And I like that because then it kind of covers your upper arm. So it's pretty flattering. Stepping around Sammy. Hey Sammy. That is dress number 1, and I chose this and I think I made a good choice. But yeah, it's pretty cute. Okay, and here's the second dress, and I actually really like this. You know, I'm actually, with all of these subscription boxes, I'm trying different colors. I think prior to me doing subscription boxes, my wardrobe was pretty much black and white, but now I've got all this color. And here is a nice coral dress, and you can wear it, it comes with its own belt, but I think it would also look nice if you just want to wear it without a belt and just straight. But yeah, so this is very cute, I like it, and I think it's another dress that I could probably wear to work, so another cute dress. Okay, so here is the surprise item, which is this navy blue top. And it's a cotton poly blend, and it has kind of an interesting shoulder. Looks like a crochet look. It's very flowy, and I think it just needs to be steamed. It's very wrinkly. I mean, and I just paired it with some white jeans. And these are my Liverpool jeans that I got from a mix and match box, and I really like these jeans actually. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month, or actually last month's Golden Tote. So I got 2 dresses, and I do really like the 2 dresses. I think both are really cute, and I'll definitely be able to wear these to work and make good use of them. And I also got this blue top with this crochet detail. I'm gonna have to steam this and see how it looks. But yeah, I think this is definitely cute. I think this is probably more of a casual top because of the crochet thing. Actually, and this month I was not even planning to get a Golden Tote because, you know, I've been doing so many subscription boxes, and I feel like I have so much clothes, and I really don't need any more clothes, although you can never have too much clothes. So I didn't even place the order on the first day. Like, that's what you're supposed to do. I kind of looked on the first day, and I saw things were going really quickly. You know, this dress was already gone when I looked on the first day. But then I checked back, I think 1 or 2 days later, and this dress was available. So I think sometimes things get either restocked, or people might have it in their cart and then they end up changing their mind and not checking out. So you don't necessarily have to place your order on the very first day to still get good stuff, because they do restock sometimes. So if you are interested, I do have information about how Golden Tote works down in the description box below, along with my referral link, in case you want to use it. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye now.